During Ramadan month, it is essential that you should maintain your health while having fast. For this, the very first thing you have to do is to have a healthy eating routine. Healthy eating means eating a diversity of foods that provides nutrients, incorporates protein, fat, vitamins, carbohydrates, and minerals that you need to maintain your health, good and full of energy. In this video, I am going to show you some ways or suggestions which may help you to stay healthy during Ramadan. Similarly to breakfast, Sehri is the beginning meal of the day in Ramadan. Sehri will support you to keep your body hydrated till iftar time. Keep in mind that a meal of Sehri should contain carbs, fiber, and protein. Keeping yourself away from processed foods, such as sugar and white flour, is a good option because these types of foods may be higher in calories because of the high amount of added sugar and fat. Also, comparatively, it contains a little number of nutrients. A diet of fresh fruits and vegetables may help you to protect against many diseases and may be a substitute for junk foods that we eat on regular basis. They are an excellent source of vital vitamins and minerals and are high in fiber. It is suggested to choose fruits and vegetables which are full of water like melons, cucumber, pumpkins, squash, etc. Eat a lot at iftar time is not going to be good for your health. However, you may have the desire to eat a lot at iftar time. So, it is preferable for you to not be in rush at the time of eating. You may start with having a few dates and then have water. Everyone knows that dates are a good source of energy and also get benefited the digestive system as well. In the holy month of Ramadan, it is essential to drink plenty of liquids, mainly water due to the long period of fasting. Sources of liquids for the body contain water, juices, and soups. So keep in mind that you have to drink at least 7 to 8 cups of water on a regular basis in Ramadan. As far as staying hydrated is concerned, you need to avoid caffeine because it is the worst thing. For those who generally consume caffeinated drinks like tea, coffee, and colas during the day, then the lack of caffeine while having a fast may in the beginning lead to headaches and fatigue. Secondly, there is a need to avoid fried food too, because these types of foods are high in fat, calories, and salt. According to a study, fried foods are often linked with serious health problems such as diabetes and heart disease. In my opinion, you should consult with a specialist before Ramadan, in case you are overaged or suffering from diseases like diabetes, and the same advice has to be followed for pregnant women. So you should follow the mentioned suggestions in the video or ways to keep yourself fit and healthy during Ramadan.